Hi, this is Rick Moss for the Tech Behind the Trade on Wealth Builders HQ. Today's topic is how to change the radar screen flashing symbol updates on the TradeStation platform. I find the out-of-box radar screen blinking yellow background to be a bit distracting, so I'll show you how to change it to something that I find more pleasing. On the left-hand side of the screen, we see the typical out-of-the-box radar screen symbol table with various symbols already loaded as an example. In the middle of the screen is my modified radar screen. Notice that most of the symbol names appear a bit dimmer. When the data for a given symbol updates, the symbol name turns from a dim white to a bright white, as an example. Let's start off with a copy of the original radar screen so we can make our changes. We're going to select the radar screen that we want to make a copy of, go up to the menu bar and choose Edit, Copy Window. Then we're going to choose Edit, Paste Window, which will make a copy for us. Now we're going to start to make our changes. Right-click the mouse while holding it over the table section of the radar screen, then select Settings, Page. From the left-hand menu, select Color. Under the Property Names list, select the symbol column item. Click on the foreground color down arrow. Then click on the dark gray color choice. In this particular case, it's in the first column in the 5th row. As you can see by hovering the mouse over the color, it says dark gray. Select that. Now, click on the background down arrow and select the black color choice, which is in the top left, first column, first row. Next, under the property name list, select the Update Indication item. Again, click on the foreground color down arrow. Then select the white color choice, which is the bottom left, first column, last row. Next, select the background color drop-down arrow. Then click on the black color choice, again, which is in the top left, the first column, first row. Click the OK button, and voila, there we go. We've changed it exactly as the picture above. I'm going to finish up now by showing you step-by-step instructions along with some before and after examples of the settings. You can pause this video and use these notes to achieve the result in your TradeStation workspace. If you have any suggestions for additional topics you want to see covered in future Tech Behind the Trade videos, please email support@wealthbuildershq.com and let us know. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find it useful. We will see you at the next Tech Behind the Trade update for Wealth Builders HQ. Bye for now.